Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of premium audio with the Bose QuietComfort Earbuds II. These wireless, Bluetooth earbuds are designed with Bose's proprietary active noise-canceling technology, offering a personalized listening experience that adapts to your unique ear shape and sound preferences. With a comfortable in-ear design, they come with a Bose Fit Kit featuring 3 pairs of ear tips and stability bands, ensuring all-day comfort and a secure fit. The intuitive touch interface allows you to control your music and noise cancellation levels effortlessly, while the advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology ensures a strong connection up to 30 feet away. Enjoy up to 6 hours of immersive sound on a single charge, and if you're in a hurry, a quick 20-minute charge gives you an extra 2 hours of playtime. Plus, the Bose app makes setup a breeze, letting you customize settings and manage connections with ease. Whether you're taking calls with a single earbud or losing yourself in your favorite tunes, the Bose QuietComfort Earbuds II are engineered to elevate your audio experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.